controlling the drone by tilting the radio forward, backward, and left and right. So you have to use the left stick for the throttle, okay, and you have to use the yaw also from the stick. And this one is replaced by this left and right movement. The roll is replaced by moving the entire radio, and the pitch forward backward is also replaced by this and that movement. So you need to move the radio physically in any direction that you want, and you need to yaw it to the left and right, and you need to throttle it up and down. So by using the movement sensors, this stick is useless. None of them pitch forward, backward, or roll left and right. None of them are used. Only this one. Here's the drone. On the inputs page, the aileron is set to gyro X, and the elevator, the third one, is set to gyro Y. So it's not using the right stick, that one on the right side, but it's using the movement of the radio. But there's a problem. If I arm it, and whenever I tilt it to the right, it's moving to the opposite direction. So we need to reverse that value. Once again, I'm moving it to the right, and he tries to go to the left. To the left, and he goes to the right. Okay, disarm it. So to reverse that value, go into Gyro X, long press and edit. Come down to this weight, which is 100. Long press weight. So set it to negative 100. So in the beginning it was positive 100 to the right. Okay, and now move it back to the left. Okay, and exit from there. Now it has a minus. And now if I arm it, oops, don't move the radio, so arm it. Left is left, and right is right. It has an expo curve, so that's why it's not linear. And that's towards me. Ooh. And that one to the front.